is Kimba, Oscar, and Kaylin after sniffing the catnip ball. And Kimba just got a bell collar. Kimba. Ah.
Kimba, you're okay.
It's time for another exorcism.
What the heck? Did you hear that clunk?
Look at them. Kaylin's happy.
Did you hear Oscar? He meowed.
Oscar's like, oh my god. I love you. Kimba's like, mine.
That's not nice, Kimba.
I got it for you guys to share.
They don't care. I think you should take hers.